Question: who is responsible for the catastrophic war and human killings in Gaza? Israel? No. Hamas? No. United States? No. Jews? No. Muslims? Not at all. So, who is responsible? Answer: no one is responsible but us, 8 billion human beings on this planet. That is, all of us, 8 billion humans on this planet, are responsible and guilty for the terrible human killings in Gaza. Because all of us human beings all over the world are like the cogwheels and the bolts and nuts of a machine that doesn't work properly. And from time to time, it breaks its own cogwheels itself. In other words, all of us human beings are like the cells of a living body. And from time to time, some of these cells attack to the other part of this living body and try to ruin and destroy those cells and that part of this living body. If our hearts hurt a little bit, just a little bit, to the terrible human killings and catastrophic war in Gaza, in Ukraine, in Russia, in Israel, in Lebanon, in Syria, in Iraq, in Yemen, and in any other place of the world, we have to wake up and stand up to change and reform this world, to change and reform the political system based on weapons and force, the economic system based on money and profit seeking, and the cultural system based on walls and separation. If we do so, we can expect that have a tolerable world for ourselves, for our children, and for future generations. If we don't, there's no other way. No way. Nothing.